Good morning, students, and good morning, parents. Welcome to Edustar International School. You are watching Class 5 Mathematics. You have Term.1 Math exam on December 7th, Monday. Term.1 portion is given for you. Chapter number from 1 to 6. Refer book and classwork. Total number of chapters are 6. They are Chapter number 1, Numbers and Numeration. Number 2, Roman numerals. Number 3, Addition and Subtraction. Number 4, Multiplication and Division. Number 5, Simplification. Number 6, Factors and Multiples. Question pattern is given for you. Subject Math, Term 1, total marks 50. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. You have 5 questions in this Roman letter. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. So Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. It has also 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 5 into 1, 5. The Roman letter 3, write true or false for the following statements. You have 5 questions. Each question carry 1 marks. So 5 into 1, 5. Roman letter 4, 2 mark questions. Choice will be given. Any 7 you can attend. Each question carry 2 marks. So 7 into 2, 14. Roman letter 5, 3 marks question. Choice will be given. Any 7 you can attend. Each question carry 3 marks. So 7 into 3, 21. This is a model question for you. Term 1, Math. Total marks 50. Time duration is given for 2 hours. So Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Here 5 questions are given. Each question carry 1 marks. So 5 into 1, 5. First one, the place value of 6 in 86,42,173 is dash. So 6 in which place? It is lakh place. So you have to give the place value for each number. Then finally you get the answer for 6 in which place value. So 6 in lakh place. So it's 6 lakhs, that is the answer. Number 2, the value of 64,927 into 50 into 0 is, so if you multiply by any other number by 0, you will get answer 0. So that is the answer. Then third one, which of the following is not a factor of 48? Here, 12 fours are 48. So 12 is the factor of 48. Then 14 is not a factor of 48. 16 threes are 48. So 16 is a factor, one of the factor of 48. 24 into 2 is 48. So 24 is also a factor of 48. So what is asking in the question? Not a factor. So 14 is not a factor of 48. So this is the answer. Then fourth one, what is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for MMMDCC? For each M carry 1000. So we are having 3 M's, so 3000. And D carry 500. And C for 100. We are having 2C, so 200. So 3000 plus 500 plus 200, totally 3700. So that is the answer. Number 5, the LCM of 11 and 21. The 21 is not a multiple of 11. So the 21 is not divided by 11. So what do you want to do here? 11 is a prime number. So you multiply these two values, that is the LCM. So 231. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. 5 into 1 equal to 5. So each question carry 1 mark. So dash millions equal to 1 crore. In 1 crore has how many zeros? 7 zeros. And then in million, how many zeros? 6 zeros. So if you cut 6 zeros in 1 crore, you balance, you have 10 alone. So 10 millions equal to 1 crore. Number 2, the smallest odd composite number is dash. 1, it is not a prime number, not a composite number. Number 2, even prime number. Number 3, add prime number. Number 4, even composite number. Number 5, add prime number. Number 6, even composite number. Number 7, add prime number. Number 8, even composite number. Number 9, that is add composite number. So which is the smallest add composite number is 9. Then third one, numbers which have 1 as their HCF are called dash. So the two numbers are having only 1 is a common factor, means that those numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, only 1 is the HCF, means that is co-prime numbers. The next one, fourth one, 1924 is divisible by dash and dash. So the last what number is there? 4 is there. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. So 1924 is divisible by 2. And 3, what is the rule for 3? Sum of all the digits. If you add all the digits, means you will get 16. So 16 is not divisible by 3. Then what is the rule for 4? As the last two digit is divisible by 4. So 24, it is coming in 4th table. 6 4s are 24. So this number is divisible by 4. So 2 and 4 is the answer. Okay. Then fifth one, 24 dash 3 plus 5 equal to 13 using plus, minus, into or divide. Here we need a 13 answer. So which symbol it is exactly you can use here? For 24, if you are using plus means, so that value is increasing, then the answer. Then if you put minus means, if you subtract 24 minus 3 means you will get 21 plus 5, 26. So this value also increases than 13. So won't come minus here. Then into also that answer will be increased than the 13. So the into also won't come. Then divide symbol if you are using means 24 divided by 3 means how much you are having 3 in 24? As 8 times are there. So 8 plus 5 how much? 13. So that is correct answer. So which symbol we want to use here? Divide symbol. So you have to put one by one symbol here. If you are getting the correct answer means you can use that symbol. Then numerator 3, write true or false. So we are having 5 questions. Each questions carry 1 marks. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. Number 1. 0 divided by 24,784 is equal to not defined. Actually, 0 divided by any other number, you will get the quotient 0. But what is given here? Not defined is given. So it is false answer. Number 2. The prime numbers have only one factor, which is 1. What we have studied before the classes, a prime number has 2 factors. Okay, but what is given here? Only 1 is given, so it is wrong. So it is false answer. And third one, number 3, 1744 is divisible by 2 but not 3. Here you want to apply the divisibility rule 2 and 3. Divisibility rule, the last ones place even number is there means it must be divisible by 2. What is the rule for 3? The sum of all those digits. Now you add all those digits. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 16 it is not divisible by 3. So 1744 is divisible by 2 but not 3. The statement is correct. So it is true. The next one, fourth one, subtrahend equal to minus difference. Subtrahend means that is the smaller value. Minus means that is the greater value. Then difference. On greater value, we are getting the result. I mean difference. You subtract that, you will get the smallest value. So given the statement is true. Number 5. Every multiple of a number is smaller than or equal to that number. So the given statement is wrong. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. For example, go to the 5 table. 5 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 10, it's going on that. So it increasing the value. So it is greater than the number. So this given the statement is wrong. So it is false. The room letter 4. Answer the following questions. You can attend any 7. Each question carries 2 marks. So 7 into 2, 14. The number 1. Write the following numbers in Indian and international system according to the commas and write their number names. First, you should write the number alone. Put commas according to the Indian system. Then write the number names. Then again you write the same number and put commas according to the international system and write the number names. Number 2. Solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. A, D, C, XL plus V, I. So substitute the value for D, C, XL. What is the value? D for 500, C for 100, I mean 600. 600, XL means 40, 640. Then write plus, then V for 5, then 1 means 3, totally 8. So 640 plus 8, you add the value and write. And again you have to convert the Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. B, CML minus LXX, substitute the value for that and subtract the value and give the answer in Roman numerals. And third one, find the product of using distributive property. Already you know we did so many sums in our classwork note and in homework. So you have to follow that rules. And fourth one, simplify. A, 9 into 4 in plus 3 divided by 3 into 8 minus 5. So already we know the BODMAS rule. So here DMAS we are going to apply. So first we want to divide the value, then multiply the value, then add the value, then subtract the value. So like that you want to follow. And B, 12 divided by 2 plus 15 minus 4. So first BODMAS here we want to apply. First we want to give the first preference for bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then fifth one, list out the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Already we have studied 25 prime numbers that you want to write on here. And sixth one, find the prime factorization of the given number using the factor tree method. 195, so you apply the factor tree method here. Seventh one, add the following. 2,35,400 plus 34,70,056 plus 98,766 plus 1,942. So add all those values to find it. Then B, subtract 86,891 from 8,94,945. Which value we want to write first while separating the two numbers? Which is the biggest one that we want to write first? So greater value write first and smaller value write second. Then you have to subtract the two values. And next one, eighth one, find the HCF by long division method. So long division method already you use. So divide the two values and you will find the last one HCF. That HCF we use to divide the third value. Then from letter 5, answer the following questions. Here also you want to attend 7 questions. Each questions carry 3 marks. First one, A, write the numeral for the following. 2,65,790. Already you know about that well. Number 2, 1,332,542. B, I write the expanded form of 47,36,058. So you want to expand each value here. C, write in short form 6 crore plus 70,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 1. You have to write in short form. Number 2, Mr. Sinha goes with his family for shopping with rupees 12,85,750. Okay, he has this much money. They purchase a refrigerator for rupees 1,75,000 and LCD for rupees 96,875. A cooking range for rupees 46,790 and a washing machine for rupees 28,925. So how much money are they left with? Okay, he has 12 lakhs something. Okay, he purchased 4 items. So how much he spent for the 4 items? You want to add the 4 values. That total values you are getting, know that you want to separate from the 12 lakhs. Okay, so you finally you get the answer how much they left with them. Okay, the next thing, third one, A, find the product of 79,843 into 621. You multiply the two values. And B, find the quotient and the remainder. 68,10,359 divided by 1,324. So divide these two values and write the quotient and remainder. Fourth one, find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. 45, 75 and 90. Use a separate value to find the factors. Finally, you have to use all the factors to find HCF and LCM. Then fifth one, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 9072. If one of the numbers is 72, find the other. Here the product means multiply. I mean HCF into LCM is equal to how much they given? 9072. Okay, two numbers and the product of two numbers is means one of the number we know, we want to find other number. HCF into LCM equal to the product of two numbers. Use this relationship to find the answer. Number 6, simplify using the BODMAS rule. 24 plus curly bracket, round bracket, 6 divided by 3 minus 1, round bracket plus 5 curly bracket, divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. See here, in BODMAS rules, we want to give the first preference to bracket. So, what and all we are having only round bracket and curly bracket. So, among those two, which bracket get first preference? No, round bracket. So, we want to give the first preference to round bracket. So, divide the values and subtract the value. So, we will get the answer. 6 divided by 3 means 3, minus 1 means you will get 2. So, after then you want to give the curly bracket preference. So, then complete after then you have to, of means into symbol. Okay, of means into. After the removing the curly brackets, then you have to divide the value, then multiply the value, then add, then subtract. Like that you have to write. Already you know that. So you have to work out at home. And 7th one, check the divisibility of the following numbers by numbers given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11 on 81,620 and 65,175. So this value is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4. You have to check once again all those things. It is correct means you have to put tick symbol. It is not divisible by any other number means you put cross in the box. 8th one, fill in the blanks. A, 24,315 into 300. So multiply the values and finally you have to add the 0 with the answer. B, 30 lakhs dash 310 lakhs using less than, greater than or equal to symbol. C, 76,005 plus dash equal to 76,005. So what do you add with that, you will get the same answer. Alright on that. D, 91,268 divided by 91,268. So if you divide the same value, know what answer you will get. E, the LCM of 5 and 15. So 15 is a multiple of 5. So the 5, it is divide the value of 15. So which is the greater value among that? 15 is the greatest value. So that is the LCM. Okay. Then F, write the 6th and the 9th multiple of 17. So 6th multiples and 9th multiple you want to write. I mean 6 into 17 and 9 into 17. How much that you want to write. The 9th one, find the least number which when divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 leaves in each case a remainder of 8. When you are finding the least number means you want to find LCM. Use this 4 value to find LCM. Finally, you get the LCM, you add with the remainder 8. Okay. So 12, 15, 20 and 20, 54 you have to use to find LCM. Finally, you get the LCM value. That value you add with the remainder. Dear children, this is the model question for you. Whenever you get free time, you have to practice well. You have more than 1 week. So utilize the time to prepare for the math exam. We will send the math question paper through app. Dear parents, make your ward to write the exam in front of you. Ask them to write neatly. Use A4 sheet. Draw the margin, side margin, top margin, name, roll number, class, date, subject name, everything. You have ask your ward to write neatly. Every Roman letter finished after draw the finishing line. And 2 mark question, 3 marks questions and all. Each one complete after draw the line. So use black stick and blue pen. After completing the exam, take snap and send the image through mail. Thank you children. Thank you parents. We will meet in the next class.